Hey everybody, Van Richards here. I'm a financial advisor who helps retirees to grow their financial knowledge so that they can be in control of their financial future. Today, I want to offer to you a free resource that will help you to reduce the confusion that's around when to sell dividend stocks that are in your retirement portfolio. The resource is a free video lesson, and in this lesson, I'm going to share with you 3 factors that I look at to determine if a dividend stock is one that I really want to sell or one that I want to hold. By requesting this free video lesson, you are also going to get a free bonus. Every week, I'm going to send to you a video lesson of a dividend producing stock. The more that you can grow your financial knowledge, the more in control that you will be of your financial future. Now, to request this free resource, just click on the link that's in the show notes right here on YouTube.